July 9th News. In the latest episode of the podcast Bankless, renowned American investor and founder of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, along with ARK Invest's Chief Futurist Brett Winton, discussed disruptive technologies that are expected to reshape the future economy. From Tesla's autonomous robotaxi to Neuralink's brain-computer interface and the cross-sector integration of the Starship project. From the plummeting costs of AI to the space economy fueled by SpaceX's low-cost launches, these technologies form an unprecedented synergy, painting a technological blueprint valued at over $20 trillion. The entire discussion lasts for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Interested friends can watch the original content. Below is a summarized version of their conversation, supplemented with additional data from other sources, rewritten into a concise format while retaining the key points. The aim is to provide a dynamic depiction of the future of technological development in a limited time frame. Part 1. The transformation of AI technology and competitive landscape. The competition among AI giants and future market. ARK Invest has simultaneously invested in 3 major AI companies, OpenAI, xAI, and Anthropic, believing this is a winner-takes-all market. Each of these companies has its unique advantages. OpenAI, rapid product iteration driven by ChatGPT's distribution speed and data accumulation. xAI, unique network connectivity advantage through Starlink's distribution pipeline. Anthropic, globally leading coding models deeply integrated with Cursor. The global AI market is expected to reach $15 trillion to $20 trillion, with 2 to 3 companies likely dominating the market in the future. Wright's Law, the cost revolution in hard technology. Wright's Law states that doubling production scale leads to a fixed percentage reduction in costs. For example, battery production costs decrease by 28% with every doubling of production. Industrial robot costs drop by 50%. And AI hardware and software costs decrease by 48%. Particularly in the AI field, training costs are decreasing 70% annually, and inference costs are dropping as much as 98%, fundamentally transforming the productivity of knowledge workers. AI as the new operating system. AI models are becoming the new operating system, replacing traditional platforms. Similar to the transition from desktop computers to mobile devices, natural language input will become the mainstream in the future. Companies like Apple and Google may fall behind in this transformation. Part 2. Autonomous driving and humanoid robots. The potential of autonomous robotaxis. Autonomous robotaxis are rapidly becoming the core technology of future transportation. According to McKinsey, the global robotaxi market is projected to reach $120 billion by 2030 and further grow to $460 billion by 2035. This reflects the enormous potential and explosive market demand for autonomous driving technology. The business model of robotaxis is shifting from one-time car sales to mileage subscriptions, reducing travel costs to less than $0.5 per mile, significantly lower than traditional ride-hailing services. Tesla's autonomous driving technology is driving this transition, with safety levels already approaching those of human drivers and expected to surpass them within the next few years. The market size for autonomous robotaxis is projected to reach $8 to $10 trillion, becoming the core force in the global transportation industry. Humanoid robots. Compared to autonomous driving, developing humanoid robots is 10,000 times more challenging. This is because robots need to handle complex multi-action operations while perceiving environmental changes during movement. However, Tesla, leveraging its visual motion data and general-purpose chips accumulated through autonomous driving technology, is likely to achieve large-scale production first. The market potential for humanoid robots is enormous, expected to reach $26 trillion by 2030 to 2040. Tesla's advantage lies in applying its autonomous driving data to robot development while accelerating technology iteration through internal factory demands. Humanoid robots will not only be used in factories, but also extend to medical, household services, and other fields, fundamentally changing human work and lifestyle. Part 3. Neuralink's brain-computer interface revolution. Market size and potential. Neuralink's technology is driving rapid growth in the global brain-computer interface industry. According to forecasts from the Shan Industry Research Institute, the global brain-computer interface market size was approximately $1.98 billion in 2023 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 25.22%, surpassing $6 billion by 2028. Another study predicts that by 2030, the global brain-computer interface market could reach $5.692 billion, showcasing significant market potential. In the long term, the market is expected to reach $12.4 billion by 2034, becoming a key component of a trillion-dollar industry. Breakthroughs in the medical field. Neuralink's technology has achieved significant progress in the healthcare sector, such as rehabilitation for paralyzed patients, enabling paralyzed patients to control their hand movements with their thoughts, restoring basic living abilities. Speech and text generation, helping patients generate speech or text through thought, enabling communication with the outside world. Visual enhancement. Future technologies may allow blind individuals to see infrared or other supernormal visual effects. These breakthroughs not only improve patients' quality of life, but also bring new solutions to the healthcare industry. Potential applications for general users. Brain-computer interface technology may not be limited to the medical field, but could also extend to general users, such as memory enhancement, enhancing memory capabilities through chips. Skill acquisition, quickly mastering complex skills. Sensory augmentation, expanding visual, auditory, and other sensory capabilities. This could make brain-computer interfaces a brain upgrade tool, fundamentally changing human interaction with technology. Integration with other technologies. Neuralink's technology may also integrate with humanoid robots, enabling direct control of robots through brain-computer interfaces. This technological fusion will further drive the development of intelligent agents, providing new solutions for industries, healthcare, and household services. Part 4. SpaceX and the rise of the space economy. Synergy between Starlink and Starship. SpaceX has reduced launch costs to below $100 per kilogram through its Starship rockets, driving exponential growth in satellite launches. Starlink, as a global communication network, is expected to generate annual revenue of $200 billion to $300 billion in the future. This seamless global connectivity service not only competes with traditional internet service providers, but also provides efficient communication solutions for users worldwide. The scale and potential of the space economy. According to the latest research, the space economy is projected to reach $1.4 trillion by 2030, encompassing satellite communications, space exploration, resource extraction, and other sectors. SpaceX's technology breakthroughs will make the space economy a vital component of the future global economy. The strategic significance of the Mars program. SpaceX's Mars colonization program not only drives breakthroughs in material science and energy fields, but also feeds back into technology development on Earth. In the future, Mars could become a base for resource extraction and satellite launches, further enhancing SpaceX's competitiveness. Additionally, SpaceX's technological spillover effects will influence Tesla and other fields. For example, robot testing data on Mars will be applied to robot development on Earth, accelerating technological progress. This cross-sector synergy will drive the co-development of Earth's and the space economy. 5 innovation platforms driving global economic growth. The 5 innovation platforms of the future: artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage technology, blockchain technology, and gene sequencing technology will collectively drive exponential global economic growth. Their synergy will fundamentally reshape the global economic landscape. Artificial intelligence. AI is considered a core driver of future economic growth. According to McKinsey, AI is expected to contribute $13 trillion to global GDP by 2030, equivalent to an additional annual growth rate of 1.2%. AI technology is transforming the productivity of knowledge workers, such as automating data analysis and decision support. enhancing creative industry efficiency through generative AI driven by natural language processing. The widespread adoption of AI will also accelerate the digitalization of emerging markets, injecting new vitality into the global economy. Robotics. Robotics is achieving automation not only in industrial fields, but also in services, such as autonomous driving. The autonomous vehicle market is expected to reach $2.1 trillion by 2030. Humanoid robots. Tesla's Optimus robot plan aims to minimize labor costs and be applied in manufacturing, healthcare, and household services. Breakthroughs in robotics will enhance productivity, reduce costs, and address labor shortages caused by global population aging.
3. Energy storage technology. Energy storage technology, particularly advances in battery technology, is key to the renewable energy revolution. According to the International Energy Agency, or IEA, lithium battery costs have dropped nearly 90% over the past decade, driving the adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy. By 2030, the global energy storage market is expected to reach $620 billion. Energy storage technology supports the explosive growth of the electric vehicle market and resolves the instability of renewable energy, providing a solid foundation for the global energy transition. 4. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has expanded from finance to multiple industries, such as supply chain management, data security, and digital identity authentication. According to PwC, blockchain technology is expected to contribute $1.76 trillion to the global economy by 2030, including decentralized finance, or DeFi, providing financial services to the unbanked population globally, and data management, secure sharing and transparent transactions of data through smart contracts. The widespread application of blockchain technology will enhance global economic transparency and efficiency while creating new business models. 5. Gene sequencing technology. Gene sequencing technology is driving rapid advancements in precision medicine. According to market research, the gene sequencing market is expected to reach $35 billion by 2030. Key applications include cancer treatment, identifying more precise treatment plans through genetic analysis, genetic disease screening, reducing the incidence of diseases, and drug development, accelerating new drug development cycles. Gene sequencing technology will also integrate with AI to further improve the efficiency of medical diagnosis and treatment. Synergy of the 5 platforms. These innovation platforms do not develop in isolation, but interact with each other. For example, AI drives the development of gene sequencing technology, accelerating new drug development. Blockchain technology integrates with energy storage technology to provide secure digital solutions for energy transactions. Robotics integrates with AI, creating more intelligent automation equipment. This synergy will propel the global economy into a new growth cycle. According to the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, the global economic growth rate for 2024 is projected at 3.2%. However, the adoption of innovation platforms could elevate this growth rate to 7%, far exceeding historical records. Through the momentum of these 5 innovation platforms, we're entering a new era driven by technology. This will not only transform traditional economic models, but also create a more sustainable and efficient future for global society.